Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I've got 50 pounds of denim that I bought from Thredup. It was a rescue box that I purchased for $50. So I'm about to show you what items I got and see if I'm going to be able to make some money. On my channel, if you're new here, I talk about different ways to make money in person as well as online. And I also do little, unboxing videos and share with you where I get some of my inventory. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure you do hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to go ahead and dive in because they are huge boxes with a lot of denim in them. Okay, so they ship them and they just kind of put this paper over the top of them. The first pair here looks like men's, which is not something typical that you'll get in a box, but they are just men's Levi's jeans. They're in good condition. They just look dated. Or not Levi's. Did I say Levi's? I meant Lee. And then another pair of men's, and they are Buffalo by David. What is it? David Button or Bitten or Bitten, which is a semi-good brand, and I feel like a good men's brand. But again, they're kind of just like a weird box style that I don't feel like's in anymore. But they will do really well. There's just a little bit of wear down there at the bottoms. I don't really have a whole lot of men's listed. I do really well with men's though when I get it. All right, this pair of Levi's, another men's item. Levi cut off like corduroy type pants, and they look like blue, like a blue corduroy possibly. And they're in decent condition. I just don't know if they were supposed to be shorts or not. Let me look here. Well, no, because it says 34 by 30. So these are cutoffs. I may list these myself or just redonate them. We'll see. Because it's not going to be worth a whole lot. All right, this is just a pair of Old Navy denim. And they're in good condition. It's not something that I will list. I will take it to my local buy, sell, trade sale store. And I do really well with jeans and denim at those stores. They typically give me $3 to $8 per pair. All right. Ooh, this is a good find. Looky there, a pair of Rag & Bone. They look like a little bit of a dated style, and oh, they're 26, which isn't a bad size. They're in really good condition. This will be an example of something that I will list. So as you see, I kind of have different piles going on. I'm going to keep a men's pile and then a sell. All right, this is just Rewind, and it's a size 1. I'll just take these directly to Platos. I can't even take them to Style since they are a size 1. Style Encore does women's sizing, so they do like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They don't do 1, 3, 5, 7. All right, this is another pair of Old Navy, and these do have some wear, so I will just be redonating these. And this is a pair of Page denim, which Page denim is a good brand to find, but these, unfortunately, the person definitely cut these off. This is not cut off by the brand, so this will be a redonate. All right, this is kind of nasty, and this is the first time I've ever seen that. But I have no idea what that gross stain is, but it reminds me of like poop sitting on something or puke, so that's kind of nasty. They're just Union Bay. I'm just going to go ahead and redonate those. I'm not even going to open them because that's kind of gross. I don't even know if that will come off. All right, this is a pair of Aero. So Aero Pastel. They're in really good condition, so this will be something that I will take directly to, well, they're 00. I'll probably just go ahead and take them to Platos. I don't even like messing with them when they're that small, taking them to Style Encore. All right, so a distressed pair of Song. Sounds like an off-brand, but it is size 7 or 28. So I may go ahead and take this to Style just because it does have the 28 on there also, but I doubt they take it just because it also has the 7. All right, pair of London jeans. These are in decent shape, but I do see a stain. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There's a small stain here on the front. So this will just be a redonate, especially because of the style. These look super tiny. Yeah, they're kids. So these are a size 8, little kid. I wish they were a 10 because it would fit my little girl, because these would be a good play pant. These will not sell. They've got a stain that will not be able to get out. But they're still a good pair of pants that someone might be able to buy for their kids for play. All right, these are a pair of Aeropostales, low-rise midi, size 8. So these will go to style. I should have mentioned that I plan to take most of this stuff to my buy, sell, trade, sell store, and only taking the cream of the crop to sell online, because it is 2 very large boxes and 50 pounds. I probably get close to 40 to 50 items. And again, they send a lot of, you know, lower end brand stuff, but my buy, sell, trade, sell store will still buy those to sell. All right, these are a size 11, 12, but I don't see a brand. They're definitely like a retro Y2K. I'll probably end up listing these maybe on my Depop and see how they do, because they're really cool. It's just not something I'd probably list on my Poshmark. All right, these are Vera Moda denim, which isn't a super high-end denim, and these have been washed a lot, so they do have some fading. Local buy, sell, trade, sell store. All right, these are a size 9, Mud. Mud is not that high of a brand, but they're in good condition. They're a junior sizing, so they're going to Platos. Loft, as long as they're in good shape, they will be going to Style Encore. I'm really hoping there's some better stuff in this box. All right, Banana Republic, and they are in women's sizing, which is good. They will go to my local buy, sell, trade, sell store. All right, so this is a very heavy duty. Ooh, ooh, I'm so excited to find this one. It's not even the Walmart Levi's. No, it's the actual Levi's. But it's not a regular denim jacket. Look at this. It's got like Lisa Simpson. Where's the Lisa Simpson? Right here. Lisa Simpson on there. Look how cool this one is. Now, this is a tremendously great find. If you got any, oh my gosh. If you got any last night, smile. That's hilarious. So this is a large, I believe. This is a great find though. So I have 3 items so far out of all of these that I will be listing in my personal Poshmark closet. But that was an amazing find. I do really well with Levi's. All right, so we got some maternity, which I might be keeping for myself because I am pregnant again. I didn't tell you guys yet, but these are a 31 regular. I believe these should be able to fit me, so I'll probably end up keeping them. They're just collection. Oh, AG. So Adriana Goldschmied. They do have a little bit of wear, but if you know about being pregnant, you need all the bigger clothes you can get, because I don't want to purchase them new and it only be for just a few months. So that was a good find. I'll be washing those and keeping those. Wax jeans, but I love you. And they are junior sizing. So again, good shape. They are going to Platos. Some shorts. This is a good find too. Mother shorts. Wait, were they supposed to be shorts? So they don't look like they were supposed to be shorts, which sucks. But I think they will still sell as cutoffs. Mother is good denim jeans to sell, but again, yeah, this is definitely hand cut off. So I don't know. We'll see. And this is stretchy denim. Extra large. So these look like a boutique one because there's no brand on them. But again, they're in good condition. They're high-waisted, so they are going to Style Encore. As long as it has a size tag, which it did, extra large, it will sell to them. They will not take it, though, if it does not have a size tag. All right, these are a pair of Captain Jack super skinny jeans. And they're a size 12, which would fit my daughter, but she's, like, really skinny. And this upper doesn't look really skinny. It just has, like, the inside, adjustable waist or whatever. And I find that looks really funny when you're super skinny and you have to make them really tight. So those will get redonated, especially because they have stains on the knees, which typically kids' jeans have stains on the knees. All right, this is a pair of Levi denim men's again, 36 by 30, but they're in really good condition. I'll definitely list these ones myself. I could get away with calling them mom jeans or something because they are high-waisted. And then a Calvin Klein Ultimate Skinny, size 26 or a size 2. And these are in good condition, minus that being all the way ripped out. I will take them to my buy, sell, trade, sell store, but I doubt they take them just because of this hole being completely out and not actually just the distressed look. So bam, one box down, one more to go, but I'm going to put that in a new video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure you subscribe if you have not already.